All right, guys, here we go. We are walking into B&L Vacuum and Sewing Center. Here's the front showroom where we offer high-end brands such as Miele, Sibo, Simplicity, and many other name brands as well. We service them, we repair them, we sometimes recondition many upgrades that come through here and then put those on the floor for sale as well. Here's a section of our bags. Any bag you need for your vacuums, we have. We like to keep at least one of everything, if not more, in stock. We never want a dissatisfied customer. And here's our selection of belts for vacuums as well as sewing machines. Sewing machine parts, miscellaneous little parts that we have here we offer to our customers. On this side, we have our sewing machine section. We are authorized dealers of Janome, very high-end brand sewing machine. Can't go wrong with Janome, that's for sure. Classes for sewing machines are held here as well. We offer central back services. This one's going in on Monday. To a 20,000 square feet home that's in the canyon. This is our Miele Cleaning Essentials location. And I'm going to take you to the back now, where you can see where our work begins and ends. Okay, so here is workstation number 1. See how you can see straight through this window when the customers come in, totally in privacy on this side. So you're working on something, but they can't see you. And here's another one. So that's workbench number 2. Over here we have miscellaneous supplies, pieces, parts. And down here we have a number of rebuilds that customers have just come and decided they wanted a newer model, so they trade them into us. Then we recondition them, like I said earlier, and then we put them out there for sale. These are services that we'll be completing this coming week. And here is workbench number 3. Office area, Wi-Fi, you name it. Here's our grinders. Make sure that our vacuums are excellently cleaned. And here's a section of hoses, wands, parts for sewing machine repairs, little kitchenette area. More parts. Section for steam cleaners that we do. Alrighty. And then one thing I wanted to point out too, I showed you coming into the store, but I also want to show you how nice it is on the outside, even on a rainy day like this. Your customers going. See that Mexican restaurant? It's always packed with customers in the drive-thru as well as inside. As a matter of fact, I'm picking up some dinner for myself on the way home. I love it. It's so delicious. In the parking lot over there is the bowling alley. And then let me just step in the rain really fast and show you guys how this center here is just absolutely wonderful. It's got such nice selection of little stores here. This is the Namaste Spice Land. It's just open. It's really neat in there. You can do your little shopping in there, and you can also have a bite to eat as well. There you go. There's us. Okay. And there's that Mexican restaurant again. And then right on the other side, you see all the cars that are going through here? Lots of cars, huh? That's Loaded Canyon, so you can't go wrong with that. With customers coming to view that this is definitely a vacuum and sewing machine store. There's a Walmart there, there's a Home Depot, there's a Joann's Fabrics, there's a Sam's Club, you name it. Great location. We hope you'll love this as much as we love it too. Thanks for watching.